Hello and welcome to our channel Indian Folk Medicine. In this video, we are showing an amazing medicine useful for preventing as well as removing all kinds of intestinal worms. This is effective in both kids and adults. Ingredients required are dry neem flower powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder half a teaspoon, pink Himalayan salt or Saindhava lavana half a teaspoon, and ghee half a teaspoon. Firstly, collect fresh neem flowers. Then separate the flower and the bud from the stem. This process is a little time taking, so slowly and carefully separate all the flowers and the buds. Dry the flowers in shade for about 2 to 3 days. After 3 days, the flowers are completely dried, as you can see in the video. Make a coarse powder of these dried flowers using a blender. This powder can be stored in an airtight container for about 1 year, and the medicine can be prepared as and when required. To prepare the medicine, add half a teaspoon of ghee to a pan and allow it to melt. After the ghee melts, add 1 teaspoon of the dried neem flower powder which we have prepared earlier and fry it for about 1 minute. Then add black pepper powder and the pink Himalayan salt. Mix it well and then turn off the flame. The medicine is now ready for usage. Let us know how to use it. This must be mixed with hot rice and consumed as the first morsel of food. This can be used by both kids and adults. In kids, to prevent the occurrence of intestinal worms, this medicine must be given once in a month. Try this remedy and let us know your feedback in the comments below. Like our videos and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos. Thank you.